Hello. This is the instructions on how to log into Microsoft Office 365 Office products. Now, you have access to all the products, which means you have access to Word Online, Excel Online, and their whole suite of products. But our files are stored in the shared point. So you come up to Office, www.office.com, or you can type in Office 360 and you'll be able to log in. Okay, if you see here, each of you have your own, I'll say, Monmouth Regional High School Student Parent Teachers Association email. So you'll be logging into this using that email. So you should have that. Then you put in your password, and this should remember the password I typed in before, but I'm going to type it in again anyway. And you log in. Let's see if it works. Okay. Now I'm just you could, if you want to be in and out this frequently, you could say yes to, keep you logged in all the time. But for this example, I'm going to say no. So I'm in Office 365. So if you've used a computer in the last number of 10 years, you're familiar with Microsoft Word, although this is the online version. So this is the one that runs off the cloud. You have Excel, you have PowerPoint, you have OneDrive. Now, I very rarely use any of these because I'm a Google Word user, a doc user. But all our files for the PTA are in this one here, SharePoint. So you click on SharePoint, and you have one directory. And here it is, Monmouth Regional High School PTSA Documents. So that's the one I want to click and go in on. And you're in. It's basically a big file cabinet. Home, notebook, documents. Those are the probably primary ones, recent, site content. So this is the home page that we're actually on. We have some files in the notebook. I'll just click on notebook so that you'll see what is entailed. So it has just general information, contacts, computer accounts, GoDaddy information, clothing bin leader, and I've set up a folder for our year's activities, which I don't think anything is in there currently. But again, if you feel like you need to, now you have access to all this, so you can put it in. So I'm going to go back to, try to step back out to the main page. So again, you have documents in Notebook, and then you have other documents under the document folder. So you see Mitch has created a lot of files over the years, bylaws, flyers, images, miscellaneous, Photoshop, PTA guides. So a lot of the documents that have been used in the past, we have copies. All we have to do is update them. And let's take a look. And and I believe okay, this is the one I set up for us for this year. Or somebody set up, Joanne set it up. Okay, so let's see what Joanne has put in there for this year yet. Okay, so we see he has postcards, insurance policy, membership forms, PTA, audit account, all the information regarding this school year. And again, you can always just back up to the next level going to backup. Okay, and that's basically it is. It's kind of, I'll say, it just takes a little while to get used to because it's a little different from if you're using a lot of Google applications, it's a little different from that. But after you spend some time on it, you'll learn where all the documents are. There again, SharePoint is the doc in the area. So if you create something, try to put it in there. We all will have access to it. Okay, and that will bring us to the end of our demonstration. Let's see.